Welcome to episode 74 of the Daily Shed, and today I'm going to show some patterns that are very common in fingerstyle, descending chord patterns. There's two different ones that you'll just see again and again, from Simon and Garfunkel to Neil Young to Pearl Jam to Ed Sheeran. You'll see these all over the place, and there's really two major ones you'll especially see. And one is from C major to B to A minor. So the bass pattern goes like this. You're going from C to B to an A, like that. And the pattern is basically this C chord, this B minor chord, which is really more of a B over G. But anyway, it's a kind of a B minor chord to an A minor, like that. And a nice way to practice it is with a simple fingerstyle pattern of your thumb on the C, on the A string, thumb on the A string, then your middle finger on the B string, then your thumb on the D string, index finger on the G string. So just like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And use that same pattern after you move to the B. And again, exactly the same strings. Thumb on the A string, middle finger on the B string, thumb on the D string, and index on the G string. So you're on the A minor chord now, same pattern. So starting with the C. A minor, the B, C, B minor, A minor, the B. Just try to get it as smooth as you possibly can. Let each note ring out as long as you possibly can. Wait till the last possible second to change your fingers so you can get the maximum sustain out of each note. Like that. Another very common one is now in the key of G. So you're going with a G. And this time we're using your thumb on the low E string, then middle finger on the B as before, thumb on the D string as before, you're skipping over now, index finger on the G. So now your G chord, and all you have to fret is just the third fret of the E string. And then this is an F sharp. It's basically an F sharp over, it's basically a D major chord but over an F sharp. But the bass note, the bass motion goes down like that. So the G, the second chord, same pattern, and E minor. So here's your G at F sharp, or really D over F sharp, E minor. You can also do a very simple pattern just from the thumb, index, middle, ring. And again, letting each note ring out as long as possible. Get maximum sustain. And that same pattern you can also do in the first pattern, the C. Just thumb, middle, index, ring. You'll see these patterns over and over again. These exact chords, these descending shapes, and again the G. And that first chord G, you can either use 3 open strings, or you can fret the third fret of the B string. Either way, it's the same chord. Just try to get it very clear, same volume from each string, and let each note sustain as long as possible. So I hope this is useful to you. As always, let me know any questions you may have, and thank you for watching.